Welcome to the Good Morning Show. I'm here to tell you how the water cycle works and how it helps humans and animals. I'm going to be on the Good Morning Show every day because I have a lot of different things to tell you guys. Hope y'all enjoy what we have to tell y'all today. Now, Bobby's just going to tell y'all more about the water cycle.
Thanks, Billy Bob. So the water cycle has 6 different stages to make it the water cycle. Now I'm going to tell you all the different stages of the water cycle. Well, the 6 different stages of the water cycle are evaporation, transpiration, condensation, precipitation, runoff, and percolation.
Evaporation is when the warmth from the sun causes water from lakes, oceans, and streams, ice and soils to rise into the air and turns into water vapor. The vapor droplets get together and turn into a cloud. So evaporation is a primary pathway that water moves from a liquid state to back into the water cycle and as familiar water vapor.
Transpiration is the evaporation of water loss of plants' even leaves. It is a type of translocation. The amount of water lost by the plant depends on its size, the surrounding light intensity, temperature, humidity, wind speed, and soil. Transpiration is the process by which moisture is carried through plants from roots to small pores on the other side of leaves.
Condensation can happen one of two ways. Either the air is cooled to its dew point or it becomes saturated with water vapor that cannot hold anymore. Condensation can make little droplets on the outside of a water bottle, soda can, and cold water. When a pocket of air becomes full of water, vapor and clouds form.
Precipitation is the water released from the clouds in the form of rain, freezing rain, sleet, snow, or hail. It has a primary connection in the water cycle that provides for the delivery of atmospheric water of the earth.
Runoff occurs on surfaces before reaching the channel. It's also called overland flow. When runoff flows around the ground, it can pick up soil contaminants such as petroleum, pesticides, or fertilizers that become discharged or overland flow. Increased runoff reduces groundwater recharge, that's lowering the water table and making droughts worse, especially for farmers and others who depend on the water well.
Rainfall seeps underground through a process called percolation, where the water travels downwards through the tiny spaces between rocks and soil particles. The water eventually saturates the underlying rock, such like water refills the tiny holes of a sponge.
The water cycle is so important because you need water. The water is made by the water cycle, and all the farmers would not have a way to feed their animals and grow their crops if the water cycle is not important in our daily life.
Thanks for listening to our podcast. See you guys next time.